Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Steve Skiff Accomplice here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So what do we have here is a Steve Skiff Accomplice. Skiff, pretty famous for their bearings. Really beautiful custom knife, guys, over here, CNC machined. Look at the machining going on these scales, just purely fantastic. Titanium frame lock, titanium pocket clip matching, milling. It makes sense with the overall design. Bronze anodized, like our bronze anodized, the pivot color. These are pivot colors, by the way. Gold anodized titanium hardware, anodized mirror polished backspacer. Of course, the pivot are matching. It is a beast of a knife. It's numbered on the inside, right over, sorry, here. It's beautifully done, guys. Great geometry, super smooth action. Like really smooth. It falls shut and just a little wiggle and it's gonna go down very smoothly. Look at these lines, fantastic. He's chunky. It's a little bit on the heavy side because there's no skeletonization going on. Pretty thick stock. Look at the spine of this blade that is mirror polished. Come on. This is some neat detail, beautiful jimping, super cool swedge going on up to the tip right over here. 30% belly, straight up to the edge. There's not really like a real sharpening choil. In fact, you see that this is more like a finger choil. You can safely use it because the end of the blade right over here is not sharpened, so pretty cool. You've got some nice area over here to disengage the lock bar. And this guy is smooth. The clip is a little bit on the stiff side, but really good. Look at the cutout relief over here for the lock bar. It's milled to perfection. It's very difficult to achieve this level of finish. Right over here, nice touch right over here. Skiff logo, sterile look, nothing going on the blade. Is just a gorgeous piece. Overall length 8.5 inches with a 3.5 inch long blade and I would say 4.6 inch long handle. Somewhere down that road. It's not a cheap one. This is gonna be, I would say, around $1,000, but it's absolutely beautifully made. Nice hand rub finish to the blade. It's just fantastic. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.